What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chris Lee back here with yet another video talking about money and how to make money. And also in this particular video we're going to talk about just different money and financial things. So after the intro we're going to get right into it. Stay tuned. I gotta stay grinding, yeah, yeah. Stay rocking, yeah, yeah. Stay knocking, yeah, yeah. The wrong so low and the wrong so What's going on, guys? Your boy Chris again. Once again, if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button, click that notification button if you want to know about any good money making tips. We're going to be having a lot of, we talk about money. We're also going to be reviewing apps that involves money and just good apps overall on iPhone. I use a lot of different apps, and we'll get to those videos in the future. But for now, we're talking about Chime. Now, Chime, I use Chime. I do have a credit union as well, and I used to be with Bank of America. I'm not with Bank of America anymore, but I use Chime and my credit union. Chime pays me early. That's one of the pros that we'll talk about in the video. So, you know, I get my money on Wednesday, half of it, and I get the other half on Friday. Because sometimes you just need some money, you don't want to take out advances and stuff. But yeah, in this video, we're just going to talk about the pros and the cons. And if you want to check out Chime, we have a link down in the description below. Click that link, and you could use my link, and you sign up for Chime. On your first $250 deposit, you will get $50. Which leads us to the first con, that yes, you can make $50 per person that you refer on Chime. $50 per person that you refer is a lot of money compared to what apps usually charge. You know, you'll have apps that usually get like $5, $10, whatever. $50 is pretty cool. You know, you refer 10 people, then that's $500. That's a pretty substantial amount of money just for telling people about the app. And it's pretty easy too. I mean, hey, you can sign up and go back to your bank account if you want to after you deposit your first $250 if you want to, and just there you go, you got extra $50 in your pocket. Another one, and to segue to the other thing, you get your money early. So you get paid 2 days in advance. Now, I work for Sprint, so I get 2 paychecks, regular paychecks on every other Friday, and I also get a commission check at the end of the month. At Sprint, if the end of the month lands on like a Monday or a Tuesday, and I have Chime, then I actually get that money 2 business days early. So if you have a job but you get paid on Monday and Tuesday, and you have Chime, you'll actually get paid on Thursday and Friday. So you get your money 4 days early, not just 2. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's cool to get paid on Wednesday and Friday. I definitely want to say that. Alerts, you automatically get notification. Now, this might not be the biggest pro, but it's a pro. It's a pro. Like, come on. You get your alerts every time you make a purchase. Every single time you make a purchase, your phone will ping, tell you exactly how much you paid and how much is left in your bank account. And every morning it tells you what's in your bank account. So if something's wrong and you see something like, okay, last night I went to sleep and I had $150 and now I got 2, what happened? I used the card, so you know, yeah, it's time to call them to give my money back. Yeah, so that's one of the pretty good things. And it's pretty easy to use. That's not really a big, like, mind-blowing pro, but it's still a pro. I'm sorry, it's still a pro. You know, it's still a pro. But yeah, it's pretty simple to use. I mean, you sign up, they send you the card within like 5 to 7 business days. You set up your direct deposit to your job, you get your money early, and you use my referral link, you gain $50 extra that first month. So that first paycheck. So like I said, it's pretty simple to use. Yeah. There are other offers on. In fact, I'm gonna get my phone here. I'm gonna let me see. So they got offers too if you're watching. Yeah, you got to lower your bills by 30%. A couple offers, a couple of little affiliates. I guess they partner with Debt Relief, Credit Management, Auto Insurance, Earn Money with Steady, Earn Money whatever with DoorDash. You know, it's just a couple of different things to tell you about. It's pretty cool. Cashback shopping. Now let's get to the cons of Chime. One of the things is a lot of people, I guess they do like cashback. And although I saw that offer, I don't think that cashback that was for Ebola. So Chime doesn't have a cashback offer built into their checking account like most or some banks do. And I guess a lot of people like that. I personally don't care about the extra 50 cents I'm going to get back on my purchase. You know, it's not that big of a deal to me. It's crazy that we're on a channel about money, but at the same time, you know, 1% is not going to half of a cent catch back. Whatever, 2%, 3% is not going to make or break me. So, but I mean, I guess that could be a con in some way. I mean, you know, at least you're getting something back rather than nothing. So I guess that's kind of a con. Another con is kind of lack of customer service. However, and I didn't mention this in the pros, there's nothing really wrong with the app. I never really have any issues with the app. I just noticed that there's really no easy way to get in contact with anybody if something does go wrong. Just, you know, for example, I lost my card, or, you know, somebody used my card or something down the line. But like I said, at the same time, never had too many problems at all. I haven't had any problems with Chime app, like, at all. It's great. Another con, and I forgot to mention this with the pros, but this is a pro and a con, and I'll explain both. So they have this thing called Spot Me. What Spot Me is that they'll let you overdraw your account, no charge, up to $100. Now, I think it's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing, of course, you know, when you need the money, if something goes wrong and you have to pay a bill or something and now you don't have any money left, at least you have an extra $100 you can borrow basically until your next paycheck comes in. So Chime lets you do that. The con, and the reason why that's also a con, because that can, in my opinion, promote bad money managing habits. So that's the thing. Like, a lot of people may think every time they get paid, okay, I get paid $300, I actually have $400. When that's not the case. You have $300 plus the $100 from your next check that you're using, because you're gonna have to pay them back. Like I said, I can see the good side and the bad side. So what are my overall thoughts about Chime? I'm gonna give this app a 4.5 out of 5. Nothing's necessarily perfect, but this app is pretty much straightforward. You know, you get your referral money as soon as somebody deposits their account. You get your money 2 days early. They have another thing I also didn't talk about. They have a map of ATMs you can go to get your money out without a charge. So it tells you where and specifically you can go without getting charged extra to take your money out the card, just in case, you know, you use this card. Like for me, like I said, I use this card, you know, to get some money early, not all of it. But and I have my main bank account. Maybe some people want to just have a resource to get some money out early, same thing, but want to take that money out without getting charged. There's a map that tells you exactly which ATM will not charge you for Chime. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, 4.5 out of 5. Like I said, if you want to try Chime, go ahead and click the link in this right after you subscribe, right after you comment, right after you like the video. Make sure you go to the description and click that link. Like I said, you click that link, you sign up for Chime. On your first deposit, as long as it's $250 or more, you'll make $50. Other than that, peace out, have a good one, and we'll see you next time.